beautiful, guys. Woo! A loaded cargo train. I know you guys can barely see as we're still going away from it, but I just can't believe I caught that.
No wake zone area. Bro, just get out this way. Don't go near that way.
Okay, guys, I'm not gonna record this whole train. Depends on how far I get, but I know you can probably barely see. I'll zoom in. It may be boring, guys, but I'm zooming in on the whole train now.
Just follow where that boat was out on.
Out fishing. Probably the good train to catch. One time too.
Now go back that way. That boat's coming up on your right.
I see you. Alright, guys, well, that's gonna. I don't know where the end of this train is. He's long. He is long. And I'm trying to get the whole train, guys. Cut it short. That was amazing. That was awesome. Canadian National on the UP Cargo. I don't know how much more of this train I can record here, so like, subscribe, peace out, guys. I'm sorry for not recording this whole train, but